Heard about the tech struggles in manufacturing? Let Impress IT Solutions handle it. In today's fast-paced manufacturing world, technology is the backbone. But what happens when that tech fails? Downtime and delays can cost you big. Enter Impress IT Solutions, Houston's trusted IT partner. Manufacturing environments are unique. That's why you need specialized IT support. From industrial automation systems and inventory management to compliance and cybersecurity, we've got you covered. With 24/7 proactive monitoring and rapid response times, we keep your systems running smoothly. Plus, our advanced cybersecurity measures protect your sensitive data from cyber threats. Need to scale your tech infrastructure? Our custom IT consulting has you covered. And when disaster strikes, our robust recovery plans ensure minimal disruption to your operations. Impress IT Solutions combines local expertise with a proven track record, delivering results tailored to your manufacturing needs. Don't let IT challenges slow you down. Partner with Impress IT Solutions and transform your manufacturing today. Contact us at Impress IT Solutions. Your success is our mission.